Hmm, gusto ko na magpagawa ng bahay. Pero ano kaya ang mga materials na mura pero maganda ang quality?
Good day, everyone. Our group here is to present to you our chosen material, the LiteBlock by LiteCreate. In this presentation, we will explain the principle and device structure of LiteBlock. We will also explain its fabrication, handling, and packaging. We will show possible applications of LiteBlock. And lastly, we will discuss its market potential. While not an entirely new product, this innovation first came to the Philippines thanks to the LiteCrate company. This company has been in business for more than 7 years and continues to contribute to the field of construction in the country. Based in Cebu City, the mind behind LiteBlock is Slater Young, a licensed civil engineer, YouTuber, former Pinoy Big Brother winner, actor, model, and television personality. He and his team envisioned to provide Filipinos with innovations that are made to future-proof your investment from the challenges of the Philippine setting.
LiteBlock is not just your ordinary hollow block. It is 50% lighter than traditional hollow blocks for added earthquake protection. Its Lego-like structure gives way for faster project completion and impressively straighter walls. It also insulates your building or house from heat so you can save electricity on air conditioning. LiteBlock keeps the noise away through its superior soundproofing. It has also been found to be fireproof for more than 5 hours. It is highly resistant to molds, fungus, and algae, thus improving your air quality. Even when used in wet areas, there will be no algae, no molds, and no powdering. Overall, it is a better option than traditional hollow block because it is safer and it will provide you more comfort. LiteBlock is made of cement and sand mortar and infused with micro air bubbles. The resulting product is then reinforced with 500 megapascal tension fibers to make it even more durable. Before, light blocks were made manually by hand, but now that LiteCrete has grown into a bigger company whose product is used by famous hotels, hospitals, and malls, they have computerized their fabrication of the light block to minimize human error. They also test their materials in their laboratory to ensure and maintain the high quality of their product.
LiteBlock is packaged by stacking light blocks in a block on a platform. This is done for easier transportation of the product to construction sites such as the fifth floor of a building. The platform with a block of light blocks will just be belted and carried using an overhead crane. Traditionally, hollow blocks from the ground level are transported to construction sites manually and one by one. In this little way of improving efficiency, LiteBlock is speeding up the project completion. Additionally, LiteBlock is wrapped per block so that it will be delivered clean on site. Installing LiteBlock is as easy as Lego. LiteBlock is patented to have steel bars on installation, and it meets the Philippine Structural Code for steel requirements. Two steel bars should go through each of the light blocks. After every 2 levels of light block, a steel bar is also reinforced horizontally. An advantage of steel reinforced concrete is that it can withstand earthquakes better. Light block doesn't need that much plaster to even the wall surface out because it already has a relatively smooth and even surface compared to hollow blocks. After the plaster, waterproofing can be applied and then the skim coat. The order is the same for hollow blocks. But for LiteBlock, the plaster can be skipped, and skim coat can be applied directly because of its relatively smooth finish.
As of date, several citizens from different regions in the country have tried using light blocks in their projects, whereas most reviews are positive. Light blocks can be used from residential scale houses to large commercial buildings. Some of the grand projects where this material is used or will be used include the St. Francis Xavier College in Agusan del Sur, Mactan Town Center, and Cityscapes Grand Tower Cebu. As of present, the increase and demand for this product continually increases. Lightcrete, even though situated in a small island in Cebu, ships nationwide and has clients as far as Davao. They capitalize on their biggest asset, which is their provision of safety. They say that when you buy light black, you future-proof your investments. There are also so much more advantages such as heat insulation, soundproofing, fireproofing, mold resistance, drop resistance, fast and easy installation, lightweight, low cost, and not to mention that it is much more durable than hollow blocks. Dropping a hollow block and a light brick from chest level would break the former into pieces, but light block will still be intact. With 7 years in the business, it seems that Light Block by Lightcrete is only growing and is still at its early stages. We could only imagine how much more they will be able to improve their products and their services for the community.
Uy, ang tibay naman nito. Bibili na ako. Hello? Can I order light blocks?